listen, I'll come. I'm Geology. Geology 121, which is a paleontology for non-majors class. 60 students in the class. And so instead of their final, we've had them do this final project where we've scaffolded them through it over about the last month and a half. The end product is they have to look at an extinct organism and a modern threatened relative. So something that's related to the extinct organism that is being threatened right now with extinction. So for both animals, they have to look at the habitat, the environment, the geography, the food source, how they fit in the food web, and then come up with a mitigation plan for the modern organism for how to prevent them maybe from going extinct. And then they have to present it in any form except PowerPoint. So I really want them to synthesize and digest the information and present it in a way that they and their peers can understand. We have 2 different board games, we have models, we have simulated fossils, we have people have built skeletons, people have built maps, and there's all sorts of amazing things that people have come up with. This is new, this is brand new this year, it's the first time we've tried it. So I wanted to flip the class, and so I flipped the class entirely, so instead of me lecturing, they've been doing activities all semester. I sort of did the class in thirds. So the first third was geology basics. Here's how a fossil is made. Here's how we read fossils. Here's the types of fossils we have. The second third, we focused on the Cretaceous, so when dinosaurs were flourishing. So we could look at ecosystems, reading food webs, and extinctions, because when the dinosaurs go away, it's a good extinction to look at. And then the last third is sort of project, and then also modern impact. I wanted them to be able to really see how much they had learned through the semester, really to put together everything they learned. Every team member had an assigned role, and there were 2 categories of roles. There were science roles, and there were project management roles. Someone's in charge of habitat, someone's in charge of environment, someone's in charge of geography. You'll see there's some groups of 2, some groups of 5. I aimed for 4, given the size. I sort of let them rearrange themselves if there were conflicts. I made them tell me if they knew anyone in the class, and rejected those people from being on the same team, and no geology major was allowed to be on the same team. So I tried to sort of spread, that way we could demographically spread out the teams. This is really sort of the culmination of everything we've done all semester. I've learned that this is a wonderful way to teach. The students enjoy it, I enjoy it. I think we've all learned. I've learned from them because they're bringing so many different disciplines in, so many points of view. So I've learned from them, and they're involved in science and in paleontology and in geology in a way I've never seen any other class. The 4th or 5th time I've done this. It's been a really great experiment.
That's what